Oops. We're watching a movie. I'm watching Despicable Me. Yeah, they're just gonna make me have some supper. Because they're so cute. No, they wanted to. Yeah. Look at me, look at my arm. All like marked because of my bracelets. Like these bracelets. I heard
my stomach growl.
I know. I can hear my stomach like growling because I'm so hungry.
Look at my arm's so red though.
We just finished watching Frozen, and well first we watched
So,
what should we watch second? Jump Street?
22 Jump Street.
We watched 22 Jump Street and Frozen. Now we're watching Despicable Me.
I don't want to watch Despicable Me, but she wants to watch it.
I love this movie.
I love it more than anyone else. Anything else?
Oh my god, it's so cute. The dog. Yeah, if you can tell. Hello. It's coming down the stairs. Oh, the thing's open. Look at the gates are. No, we're not. He's not allowed, Sarah. Sarah, he's not allowed. He's not allowed. He's not allowed at all. Bring him upstairs. I told you to get the gate, Sarah. There you go. Here's my way. Yeah. I'm so tired. I just want to go to bed. We might sleep here. We might. It's 5 or 9. Good thing I uploaded a vlog today. Cause I know. Good thing I uploaded a vlog today. Cause if I didn't, we would have been stuck here without any internet. And I won't be able to upload a vlog
Unless you use your data, but
that would take a long time.
yeah.
It takes like an hour for it to upload.
Really?
Mm-hmm. Let it go!
I love this movie.
Then what? Why you don't want to watch it?
I don't know. I just want to cuddle this movie.
Okay, come here, Sarah. Come here. No. But I'm trying to love you first. Let me in. We used to be best buddies, but now we're not. Wish you could tell me.
I wonder, guys, does that bother you when we zoom up?
Does it bother you guys when we do this? Does it bother you?
You're like, oh shit, that.
Do it again.
Double chin.
Do it again.
Wait.
Yeah, so we're just at our friend's house.
Yeah, we watched two.
Okay, question of the day. What should it be? Do you have a boyfriend?
No.
No.
What's your favorite place to hang out?
Where do you...
Watch our videos.
Yeah, where do you watch
No. What? How about it's like, where's your favorite place to hang out? Because we like hanging out here.
Yeah, what's your favorite place to hang out? I like hanging out with my friends.
We're at Emma's friend.
No, my friend's house.
With my friend.
Yeah.
Kinda.
He's your friend.
Oh. Yep.
What? So we're either upstairs cooking
Crab dinner.
food, crab dinners.
Damn.
I hope they bring it downstairs.
Mhm.
I'm starving.
I know.
I'm really hungry. So I didn't have breakfast, and it's like 4 o'clock. So yeah, question of the day: what's your favorite place to hang out?
Mhm. Wait till five minutes, and then we can stop it.
Okay. We're both exhausted. I was about to fall asleep on his arm.
Me too. I was like this.
Were you leaning on him?
Mhm. Not really.
I was.
You can see my yellow. It
Your
looks yellow.
It's
It's blonde.
It's blonde, Sarah.
No, but it looks yellow.
Yeah. Oh, I got it. I know how to